All right, everybody, there's Sunbright Manor. At least beautiful as it ever was. And it looks like it was falling apart last time, but looks like they did a good job, man, whoever did this. Because that whole front part up here was being held up by big stanchions. I'm not sure I like the yellow on it, but it's definitely beautiful. And so they had a little gazebo over here, and I'm glad they could save it. And from what I understand, it's going to be a bed and breakfast. And I'm glad they could save this house. They tried to do the windows best they could because they had the multicolored windows, but they tried to restore it as best they could. But I'll be glad to stay here when they get it up and running as a bed and breakfast. So this is Sunbright Manor. Google it. Look at the old pictures before and after. This is Sean with Suncoast Films on YouTube. Peace.